Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how to make a pork stew. So this is the pork that I'll be using for today, and to check how this was grilled you can click on the link below and it's going to take you directly to the video. In a heated pot I'm just going to pour in my oil and then add in some salt to check how hot the oil is, and next I'm going to add in my chopped garlic and ginger to allow that to fry for a bit. And now I'm just going to pour in my pepper mixture. Once it's fried, it's now time to pour in the grilled pork. Make sure to stir so it doesn't get burned. Now I'm going to be adding salt, stock cube, and stir. Make sure to check for salt to see if you're going to need more. That's it guys, this stew is very easy and very quick to make. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.